A U.S. trade court on Wednesday, May 28th, blocked President Donald Trump's tariffs from going into effect in a sweeping ruling that the president overstepped his authority by imposing across-the-board duties on imports from nations that sell more to the United States than they buy. The Court of International Trade said the U.S. Constitution gives Congress exclusive authority to regulate commerce with other countries that is not overridden by the president's emergency powers to safeguard the U.S. economy. The court does not pass upon the wisdom or likely effectiveness of the president's use of tariffs as leverage. That use is impermissible, not because it is unwise or ineffective, but because federal law does not allow it, a three-judge panel said in the decision. The Trump administration minutes later filed a notice of appeal and questioned the authority of the court. The decisions of the Manhattan-based Court of International Trade, which hears disputes involving international trade and customs laws, can be appealed to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit in Washington, D.C., and ultimately the U.S. Supreme Court. Trump has made charging U.S. importers tariffs on goods from foreign countries the central policy of his ongoing trade wars, which have severely disrupted global trade flows and roiled financial markets. Companies of all sizes have been whipsawed by Trump's swift imposition of tariffs and sudden reversals as they seek to manage supply chains, production, staffing, and prices. A White House spokesperson on Wednesday said U.S. trade deficits with other countries constituted a national emergency that has decimated American communities, left our workers behind, and weakened our defense industrial base. Facts that the court did not dispute. Financial markets cheered the ruling. The U.S. dollar rallied following the court's order, surging against currencies such as the euro, yen, and the Swiss franc in particular. Wall Street futures rose, and equities across Asia also rose.